I told you I built an AI system that created over 200 pieces of content in just 30 minutes. Not generic ChatGPT content that sounds like everyone else, but content that sounds exactly like me, converts viewers into leads, and has helped us generate just over $2.5 million in cash in less than 18 months. Today, I'll show you exactly how the system works and how it could replace your entire social media department. But first, let me explain why I decided to build my own tool instead of using what's already out there. So over the past year, I've tested hundreds of tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, you name it. And here's what I discovered. They're all just fancy assistants. We actually banned ChatGPT in our company because it's so generic. Everyone using ChatGPT to write content sounds exactly the same. They sound robotic, buzzword heavy, and forgettable. The problem with them is that they still need you to think for them. You have to write the prompts. You have to guide them through your strategy, babysit the outputs, and constantly course correct when they go off brand. They can't think strategically about your business or understand what actually converts your specific audience. So here's what I realized I needed. Most AI tools give you better words. What I needed was better strategy. Something that could think like my best marketing strategist, understand my business model as well as I do, and execute without me having to manage it. After spending months and thousands of dollars testing, I figured out that any system that could replace a social media department needed 4 specific things working together. So first, constant research. It had to stay on top of what's working right now in content, not just give me generic templates. And not just what's working in my niche, but what's proven to work in many other niches as well. Think about Russell Brunson. What's the first thing he does when entering a new market? He funnel hacks. He studies what's already working and then he improves upon it. The same principle applies to content. Second, deep business understanding. It needed to know my audience psychology, my positioning, my offer, not just copy my writing style. When we set up clients, we create what we call a marketing blueprint that details everything about their perfect client and their offer. This is what separates content that gets views from content that gets conversions. Third, strategic intelligence. It had to know the difference between content for awareness versus content for conversion. It had to apply what I call the golden ratio. The right balance of top of funnel content for visibility, middle of funnel content for authority, and bottom of funnel content for conversion. Fourth, execution without management. Once set up, it had to run without me babysitting it because let's face it, you don't have time for that. You've got a business to run. After months of testing, I came up with a system that fulfilled all 4 of my criteria, and I call it the attention hacking formula. It's VD plus U plus AI plus 1H. VD is your viral database. Constantly updated research on what's working right now. U is you, your unique voice and marketing thesis that separates you from everyone else. AI is the intelligence layer that knows your business as well as you do, and 1H is one human because you still need someone executing, but they don't need to be a marketing genius when the strategy is baked into the system. Now the problem was that nothing like this existed. Every tool I found was missing at least 2 of these pieces. So I decided to build it myself. All right, enough talking about it. Let me actually show you how this works. What you're about to see is the exact system that we've installed in over 400 businesses to date. I'm gonna walk you through the same process our clients use to get all their content done in less than 4 hours per month. So step 1, you wanna set up the viral database. First thing I'm gonna do here is compile my list of creators. I already have a list of creators on all platforms that I like to model, and I can just drop that right in here. All I have to do is paste in their Instagram links, YouTube links, whatever, paste in the rest of them for each platform, and watch what happens. It's adding all of this to my viral database, which you can see in the background has already started happening. What it's doing is filtering out the best performing posts, and then the AI analyzes each one of them. You can see it gives a little analysis description of everything that's happening, what's working in the post, and what the hook is. Now here's the beautiful part. I only have to do this once. I can add links, I can take links away, but once it's set up, every 2 weeks, the AI goes and does the creative research for me automatically. I never have to log into any of these platforms again. This is solving what most people do wrong. They look at like an Alex Hormozy or a Grant Cardone, and they try to copy what they're doing. But we're not trying to reach the broad masses here. We're focused on selling high-ticket services to an audience with a very specific problem. So we need content that converts, not just content that gets views. All right, next, I need to complete a quick form about my business. I can put my logo in here, and then I'm gonna upload a transcript that represents my voice. I have the script from a YouTube video that I'm gonna use here, and you could also add your details about your target audience, your core offer, examples of your brand voice, so the system really understands your business. Now watch this. In just a few minutes, it's creating my entire blueprint. It's gone and done all the market research. It's including my marketing thesis, all based on what I've I've given it, plus the research it's gathered online. Now, this is what most people are missing. When you create content without this foundation, you end up with content that sounds generic, that could be created by anyone in your industry. That's why you get views, but not conversions. You can see it's analyzed my content for all of my voice guidelines that'll be pulled in as well. This ensures that every piece of content it creates sounds exactly like me, not like ChatGPT. Now I can actually create content. What I want to do is get reels from this YouTube video that I already have. So I'm going to grab the transcript for my YouTube video. You can put in anything here, whether it's Zoom coaching calls and transcripts, YouTube videos, a book that you've written, a lead magnet, video sales letters, anything at all from you that showcases your expertise. Now here I have some options. I can choose engagement reels. That's top of funnel content, broader mass appeal. Think B-roll clips with text overlay designed for views and awareness. I can choose quick hits. That's going to ask me what specific call to action I want to promote, and all I have to do is drop the link to my funnel and it will scan that and know exactly what it is. This creates scripts specifically geared toward lead gen. I can create tweets, stories, short form scripts, and because I want all of these, I'm just going to select everything. And look at this. In a couple of minutes, I have all the content I requested. Engagement reels, I've got about 13 or so here just from this one video. Now these come with captions and everything. My editor can just run with these and I don't even have to film them. It's just the text and shot list. Quick hit scripts, these are talking head style content that I would actually film. And you can see the CTA is built right in here. So I can connect this automatically to my ManyChat process. Short form scripts, each one I can throw in my teleprompter and record. They're all structured properly for me with hooks, value, and clear calls to action. We've got stories sequence here, which is a mix of graphics and text posts, all strategically pushing to my call to action. It's a great way to start getting leads right away. Tweets, these can be used on X as text posts or turned into quote style reels. So this right here is probably a month, maybe 2 months worth of content in just a couple of seconds. While other business owners are spending hours in content planning meetings, I just created 2 months of strategic content in under 5 minutes. And it all sounds exactly like me, follows my marketing strategy, and is designed to convert my specific audience. This is exactly the kind of leverage that changes everything for high-ticket entrepreneurs. While your competitors are spending hours in content planning meetings or posting job listings for their 3rd social media manager this year, you just saw how to create 2 months of strategic content in under 5 minutes. Now you have 2 choices. You can try to piece this together yourself, fighting with ChatGPT prompts, trying to keep up with what's working, or you can use a system that's already proven to work for over 400 businesses. If you're serious about building your brand so that you can scale your business, there's a link in the description and we'll show you exactly how the system works and how it could eliminate your content headaches while making everything else in your business easier. Whether you work with us or not, I hope that this showed you what's possible when you stop treating content like a chore and start treating it like the leverage tool that it actually is.